A will is an official testament and a legal document that lets you decide what happens with your money, properties, and valuables after you die. It sets forth your wishes regarding the distribution of your property and also the care of any minor children and even pets. According to surveys, a very large percentage of people worldwide don't have a will. But if you die without a will, then your government, courts, and local laws will decide on your behalf. This means you won't have a say in who receives your property and other assets. Not having a proper will can also tear your family apart, as they may start fighting for your assets. Even if they don't fight, they will have to spend time, money, emotional energy, and legal gymnastics to settle your affairs and distribute your property after you're gone. If they don't know each and every movable and immovable property and wealth you may own, then those items will be in limbo. With a proper will, you will be clear about who gets your wealth. You can decide who gets what and how much. You can also keep your properties out of the hands of nasty family members who don't deserve a share. You can also identify who should care for your children and even pets. Your heirs will have a faster and easier transfer of your assets to their names. They will also save money on taxes. Some people put off creating and updating their will because they wrongly believe that their loved ones will automatically get an inheritance. But this isn't correct. Sorting out property matters without a will is a tedious and expensive process for your heirs. Secondly, powerful and nasty heirs and siblings may grab your property, leaving nothing to the weak ones. Thirdly, you can update your will as many times as you need, depending on family dynamics, changes in attitude, soured relations, etc. Without a will, the courts will decide, and that can become very messy. But if you have a detailed registered will, then no unauthorized person can snatch your property. Finally, it will give you peace of mind. Next, prepare a digital will. A digital will, also known as a digital estate plan or online will, is a legal document that outlines how your digital assets and online presence should be handled after your death. In our increasingly digital age, you may accumulate a variety of digital assets, such as social media accounts, email accounts, online financial accounts, digital files, and more. A digital will addresses the management and distribution of these electronic assets, providing instructions for their handling in the event of your death. Here are some key components typically covered in a digital will. Digital assets. Specify and list all your digital assets like social media accounts, email accounts, websites, domain names, online photo and video storage, digital currency, and any other online accounts. Access information. Provide login credentials, passwords, and other necessary access information for the designated individuals, such as an executor or a digital executor, who will manage your digital assets. Instructions for social media. Clearly outline your preferences for handling social media accounts after your death. This may include whether you want the accounts to be memorialized, deleted, or left as they are. Data and files. Specify how you want your digital files, such as photos, videos, documents, and other online content, to be handled. This could involve transferring ownership or providing access to specific individuals. Online financial accounts. If you have online financial accounts or assets like cryptocurrencies, provide instructions on how they should be managed or transferred. Digital business interests. If you have digital business interests, such as websites, online stores, or digital intellectual property, outline how you want these assets to be handled. It's important to note that laws and regulations regarding digital assets and digital wills may vary by jurisdiction, so it's advisable to consult with legal professionals who specialize in estate planning and digital assets to ensure that your digital will is legally valid and enforceable. Creating a digital will helps ensure that your online presence and digital assets are managed according to your wishes and can provide clarity for your loved ones during a challenging time. Finally, contact a lawyer or a reputed legal firm to prepare a strong will that can be legally registered and later enforced without any changes after you leave this planet. This will prevent any cunning family members from creating any mischief. Finally, your aim should be to safeguard yours family legally after you are no more.